All right, guys, this is a really quick tutorial on how to produce working drawings from Inventor. So let's go. All right, so let's just say that we've finished our part. Here we have our syringe holder for the hydraulics assignment. So what we're going to do, make sure that you've saved this part and that you know where it's saved. We're going to close out of it. And in this case, we're going to go over to our new and we're going to select a drawing type file, so a DWG. Now, drawing files are great. They're useful for the laser cutter in particular. So it's like two-dimensional rendering of your three-dimensional object. So what we need to do is we need to actually place some views. So we're going to go just on base for starters, and we need to actually search for that file. So here I have it saved in a sensible place, 9 Engineering, Semester 2 Inventor, alrighties, and it's got a sensible name that I understand, syringe holder. So I'm going to open, and it would be a good idea now to move this window so you can see the view that's being generated. Now, depending on what you're doing, you might need to adjust your scale. So if the object that you're placing is bigger in real life than the one that we're drawing now, you might change your scale. Now, what we can do is we can rotate this around to show a few different views. Alrighties. So I'm going to suggest to you that would be the best view to start with. In terms of our positioning, I'm just going to bring it up the page a little bit too. Alrighties. So we're going to press OK. All right. Now, we now need to project a few different views. Okay. So we're going to take this object and project. So originally we've got our top view. So I'm actually going to project a side view. Alrighties. And we can actually go and project a secondary side view, which would be this one here, because we know that if we pick that syringe holder up and turn it on its side on a few different angles, it's going to look the same. All right, so 1, 2. And lucky last, we want an isometric view. So up in the corner here, you can see there I'm just picking up the inference on the diagonal, okay? So I'm going to place that one just here. Okie dokes. All right, so once we're finished, we can do right click and create. And I might even try and just select these. I probably jumped the gun and moved them up a bit too high. So I'll move them down a little bit. And there we go. Now, these are looking pretty big and floaty on the page. However, they're at a 1-to-1 scale, so we shouldn't really make them bigger. So I'm going to stop the tutorial there, and I'm going to do a new tutorial which will be about dimensioning. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.